Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe in Amazon Prime Video. Let's begin. So say for example, you would want to unsubscribe already your membership because say for example, if you just probably want to check, what Amazon Prime Video has to offer, what their benefits are, and you just wanted to experience their 30-day trial. So you do have an option to unsubscribe. And then we do have another tutorial guys for, how to set up the 30-day free trial or how to subscribe to Amazon and then enjoy streaming and watching contents for free. Just subscribe to our channel and look for this video tutorial so you'll be able to optimize and learn more about Amazon Prime. So going back, what you need to do is just go to upper right portion of the screen with your account name. Just click on that and choose account and settings. So once you're in account and settings, you just need to go to Prime membership and click on edit on Amazon. They would be asking you to log in with your username and password, and then you would be led here. Once you're already here, you'll be able to see this membership, manage membership, right? So just click on update and then scroll down. You will be able to see here the end membership, and you just need to click on end membership. Okay, you could also tick this one right here, just a reminder that will be sent to you before the day that you will be charged. That's after your free trial. All right, so that's it. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.